I'm so excited. I finally got my bees, and one of my hubby's friends, he divided his and brought one of them over here, and this hive is absolutely buzzing with excitement. We've had it here for 2 or 3 days now, and as you can see, the bees are just everywhere. I'm probably a little too close for comfort, but I'm trying not to even let them think that I'm afraid or know anything about it. Maybe one won't smack me, but he does have a suit that I can borrow, and he's going to start teaching me all about bees, and I'm really excited about it. I wouldn't mind having a couple more if I learn how to do it the right way, but just look at them. I mean, they are everywhere, y'all. And I'm pretty doggone close, but they're not getting all the way over to me. So he did leave us an EpiPen behind just in case that one of us got stung and we had a problem with it, or if one of the grandkids was to get into them or something. But I think they'll stay away. I think when they see all this buzzing and carrying on, that they will probably stay away.
They'll probably be aggravated for a few days.
They'll, well, what I'll do,
I'll come down and sing to them. They'll take care of it.
I got a piece of that old sheetrock we have. I put 1 sugar water. They're new. It helps them pull the wax out so they can pull a cone.
And what'd you say's in here?
That's one sugar.
Just sugar?
Yeah, one part water, 1 part sugar,
okay.
Equal amounts. And I got some additives in there, some
just healthy stuff for them?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll come back this fall and put this on there. This is a robber's green, where the smell of the honey comes from here, but they actually can come up through here, and it keeps those bees that try to rob them. They don't know how to get in.
So just any kind of bees would if I could talk, try to bother them, like wasp and.
There are.
We've had a lot. I've seen a lot of yellow jackets this year.
Yellow jackets, I don't know that will bother them.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. I hear you.
Are they buzzing?
Yeah. Yeah, they're irritated a little bit. But they'll be all right. We'll get over it pretty easy. These actually pretty gentle bees. Come on. Oh, I pushed it back there, didn't I? Okay, hang on a minute.
And I'm already seeing a few come out.